Okay, students. Now more about salts. Family of salts. Salts are produced from acid react with base. When acid react with base to form salt and water also. Here water is the byproduct. Okay, when acid react with base to form salt and water. Now family of salts. Family of salts means here suppose NaCl, sodium chloride and Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. Both are family of sodium. Both molecules, both compounds are sodium family. Belongs to sodium family. And NaCl and KCl. NaCl and KCl, both molecules are belongs to family of chloride. Family of chlorides. Family of salts. NaCl and Na2SO4 belongs to sodium family. NaCl and KCl belongs to chlorine family. When the strong acid react with strong base, strong acid react with strong base or strong base react with strong acid to form salt. This salt is electrically neutral. The pH value of this salt is 7. We know pH. What is meant by pH? A scale for measuring the concentration of H plus ion. Concentration of H plus ion in aqueous solution. It is called pH. Or pH is defined as the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. pH equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. Symbol of concentration is bracket. Okay, here strong base react with strong acid to form salt. This salt is electrically neutral. When strong acid react with weak base, to form salt. This the pH value of this salt is less than 7. It is acidic in nature. In the above example, strong acid react with a strong base to form salt. This salt is electrically neutral. pH value of this salt is 7. Exact 7. Here, strong acid react with weak base. To form salt. The pH value of this salt is less than 7. So it is acidic in nature. Strong base react with weak acid to form salt. pH value of this salt is greater than 7. It is basic in nature. We know pH is less than 7 acid, pH is greater than 7 base, pH exactly 7 neutral solution. Strong acid, strong base react with strong acid, strong base to form salt. Electrically neutral, pH value 7. Strong acid react with weak base to form salt. pH value of this salt is less than 7. It is acidic in nature. Strong base react with weak acid to form salt. The pH value of this salt is greater than 7. So it is basic in nature. Okay. Next one, common salt. Common salt is the most important salt among the all salts. In all salts, the main common salt is common salt. The most important salt is common salt. Sodium chloride. Chemical name of NaCl is sodium chloride. Common name of common salt is common salt or table salt. This common salt or table salt react with impurities. It changes into brown color. So it is called rock salt. So many deposits are present in the earth crust. So many salt deposits are present in the earth crust. In the earth crust, salts react with or mixed with impurities. Mixed with impurities, it turns into brown color. This brown color salt is called rock salt. This rock salt is mined in the earth like coal. Mined from the earth like coal. Okay, NaCl is the most important salt among the all salts. Okay, NaCl react with or mixed with such some impurities. It turns into brown color. This brown color salt is called rock salt. Rock salt. It is mined like coal. Common salt is a raw material for some chemicals. Common salt is a raw material for some chemicals. Raw material. Sodium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda, Na2CO3 washing soda, CaOCl2 bleaching powder, CaOCl2 bleaching powder. These are all compounds produced from common salt. Common salt is a raw material, starting material for some chemicals. Example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Baking soda, NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Washing soda, Na2CO3. And bleaching powder, CaOCl2, bleaching powder, CaOCl2. These are all produced from common salt, that is NaCl. Okay, here now NaOH is produced from common salt. NaOH is sodium hydroxide is produced from common salt. Sodium hydroxide is produced from common salt. When electricity is passed, listen carefully. When electricity is passed through aqueous solution of NaCl, that means the sodium chloride NaCl is dissolved in solution, that is aqueous NaCl solution. The electricity is passed through this aqueous NaCl solution. This aqueous NaCl solution is called brine solution. Brine, B-R-I-N-E, brine solution. When electricity is passed through aqueous NaCl solution, this water and NaCl it decomposes into sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and liberate chlorine gas. Chlorine gas gives off at anode. Chlorine gas gives off at anode, and hydrogen gas liberated or gives off at cathode. This process is called chlor-alkali process. Chlorine, alkali, Na. In NaCl common salt, Na is a alkali metal. Na, sodium is a alkali metal. Lithium, sodium, potassium, etc. are called alkali metals. Alkali, Na alkali, Cl chlorine. So this process is called Cl chlorine, alkali, NaOH. So NaOH is produced from common salt. The electricity is passed through aqueous NaCl solution. This aqueous NaCl solution is called brine solution. They decompose into H2O plus NaOH. H2O plus NaCl. Both are decomposed into NaOH. In this process is known as chlor-alkali process. In this process, chlorine gas is liberated or gives off at anode, and hydrogen gas gives off at cathode. Okay, more about salts, family of salts. NaCl, Na2SO4 belongs to family of sodium. NaCl, KCl belongs to family of chloride. Acid react with base to form salt and water. Strong acid react with a strong base to form salt. This salt is electrically neutral. pH value of this salt is 7. Strong acid react with weak base. Strong acid react with weak base to form salt. The pH of the salt is less than 7. Less than 7. Strong base react with weak acid. Strong base react with weak acid to form salt. pH of the salt is greater than 7. It is basic in nature. Basic in nature. Okay. Common salt NaCl, sodium chloride, is the common salt among the main important salt among the all salts. The chemical name of NaCl is sodium chloride. Common name of NaCl is common salt or table salt. Common salt or table salt. This salts in the earth crust. This earth crust contains so many salts. These salts mixed with impurities, it turns into brown color. It is called rock salt. Rock salts are mined like coal from the earth. Okay, look at the board. All of you, look at the board here. Here, NaCl and Na2SO4 belongs to the family of sodium salt. Family of sodium salt. NaCl and KCl belong to the family of chloride salt or chlorine salt. Here, NaCl, AlCl3, sodium chloride, aluminum chloride, CuSO4, copper sulfate, CH3COONa, sodium acetate. CH3COONa is the sodium acetate salt. Sodium is NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and Na2CO3, sodium carbonate are dissolved in distilled water. Dissolved in distilled water, and check the pH value with universal indicator. pH paper with universal indicator pH paper. Here Na, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, Cl, HCl, strong base, strong acid, neutral. AlOH thrice, weak base, 3HCl, strong acid. Strong acid react with weak base. The pH of salt is less than 7. This salt is acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Here CuOH twice, copper hydroxide. Cu means CuOH twice, base react with H2SO4. SO4 means H2SO4. Strong acid react with weak base. This is acidic in nature. This salt is acidic in nature. pH value less than 7. This salt. Again, CH3COONa. Na means NaOH, sodium hydroxide. CH3COOH, acidic acid. Weak acid, strong base. Strong base react with weak acid to form salt. CH3COONa, sodium acetate. This is basic in nature. pH value of CH3COONa is greater than 7. Okay. You find the remaining molecules either acid or not, either acid or base. Okay. Next one, salt, strong acid. Here, salt of strong acid and strong base is electrically neutral. And the pH value is 7. pH value exactly 7. Strong acid react with strong base to form salt. This salt is a neutral salt. pH value of this neutral salt is 7. Salt of strong acid. Now strong acid and weak base react with weak base. Is acidic in nature. pH value is less than 7. Strong acid, weak base. pH value less than 7. It is acidic in nature. Okay. Now salt of strong base and weak acid. Salt of strong base react with weak acid. The to form salt. This salt is basic in nature. pH value is greater than 7. Okay. Here, chemicals from common salt. Chemicals from common salt. Now, salts are electrically neutral. Salts are electrically neutral. Okay. These are number of salts. There are number of salts, but NaCl is the most common. NaCl is the most common among the all salts. Sodium chloride is the most common salt among the remaining all salts. Okay. Here, NaCl also known as table salt or common salt. NaCl also known as most important. NaCl, sodium chloride also known as table salt or common salt. NaCl is used to enhance the taste of food. NaCl is give the taste of food. Okay. Next, deposits of large crystals. Crystals means salts. Deposits of large crystals. Crystals means salts are often brown. Appear brown in color because this is due to impurities. Thus crystals, that salts mixed with impurities, they turns into brown color. This salt is called rock salt. This is called rock salt. It is mined like coal. It is mined like extracted from earth crust. Mined like coal. Okay. Next one, common salt. A raw material for chemicals. Common salt is NaCl. A raw material for chemicals. NaCl is important raw materials such as NaOH, sodium hydroxide, NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda, and NaTCO3, washing soda, sodium carbonate, washing soda, and CaOCl2, bleaching powder. The formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Okay, these are the common salt, raw materials. NaOH, NaHCO3, Na2CO3 and CaOCl2. Okay, next one, sodium hydroxide from common salt. Sodium hydroxide is produced from common salt. When electricity is passed through aqueous solution of NaCl, this aqueous solution of NaCl is called brine solution. When electricity is passed in the brine solution, aqueous solution of NaCl, it decomposes into NaOH. This process is known as chlor-alkali process. In this process, chlorine gas liberated or gives off at anode, and hydrogen gas liberated or gives off at cathode. This is because chlorine, alkali, NaOH. So this process is known as chlor-alkali process. Here, sodium hydroxide from common salt. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of NaCl, this aqueous solution of NaCl is called brine solution. It decomposes to form NaOH. It decomposes brine solution and the presence of electricity. In the process of electricity, decomposes into NaOH. This process is called chlor-alkali process. Because chlor from chlorine and alkali for NaOH. In this process, chlorine gas is given out at anode, and hydrogen gas given out at cathode. Okay, student. Next one.